So this is day 7 and little Arya is taking a walk outside the house today. Good girl. So we are continuing with our patience training. She's hungry. She has not eaten anything since morning, so she might be a little tough right now. Good, yes. So this is kind of a no leash walk. She's excited. Come on, Arya, come inside. Now she's afraid of the gate. Come on. These are small baby steps. Yes. Arya, what happened? Come on, good girl. Good girl. Hey. Yes, it's okay. There are other dogs in the world. Hey, hi, how are you? So I guess Arya has started a chain reaction. So all the dogs around here are barking right now because of this little girl. What's happening, Arya? What's happening? Why is everybody barking? Okay, this was day 7. See you tomorrow.